Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the toDateString method in the date object. So what it does, it gonna returns the portion of date object, the human readable. So this is what it does because the others are wished, like the GMT, the standard time for that, something like that. So those are not for humans. So this is what it does. So let me give you an example. So what we need to do is create a var and event, and then what we need to do is create a date. Use the date object, and it would be a new date, so use the new operator. And inside that, what we're gonna do is pass 1993. Yeah, it's on purpose. 6 comma 28 comma 14 comma 39 comma 7. So each comma represent a special time, something like that. So this represent the year. After that, the day, the time, like that. So up to these 7, so you will realize that it's hour, 14, and minutes, and this is the time. Now you can also, by convention, you can pass GMT plus 707. What the heck? 0700. You can do that too if you want. And now what we need to do is log it on a console. The event dot now you can do many things. I'm gonna show you the toString so you can understand what is the difference between those two. So if I do that, oh, there is a uncaught error. What that is? Wait, what? What did I do wrong now? So I think removing this might help. Yeah, so this show you a time, but if you use as you can see, these are garbages. You don't want to see that, so you can do this date to date string. It will give you only the day and the time. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.